How to fix Roblox quality on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox quality on Android phone. First, open Roblox and here just click now just select any server you want here, any game like like this one here, jailbreak. And now I will show you how to fix this quality here. And first just click this icon here, Roblox icon, and then click settings, and here you will find graphics quality. You will find it, you will find graphics mode, you will find it automatic, just make it manual, and then you will find it here, just make it high, and that's it. Now just try again, and that's it, your problem must be fixed. And as you see, the quality now is high, and that's how you can play Roblox with high quality. And that's it. As you see, it's easy.